Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now by confirming prerequisites. Check your iPad iOS in Settings General About and ensure iCloud or Notes backup exists. Once done, open Settings, tap General, then Keyboard. This puts you where autocorrect settings live so you can act immediately. Make sure Bluetooth keyboard is disconnected if you test changes to avoid conflicting behavior. You're ready to toggle and edit options. Proceed to the keyboard controls to change autocorrect behavior and text replacement entries. Now adjust the core options. Toggle autocorrection on or off depending on desired behavior, and enable check spelling if you want red underlines instead of automatic fixes. Disable smart punctuation if punctuation changes are the problem. Next, inspect text replacement entries. Delete or edit any shortcut that causes wrong replacements. Once adjustments are made, close and reopen apps where autocorrect misbehaved, and if problems persist, perform a quick device restart to ensure system services reload. To finish, test typing across messages, notes, and any third-party app to confirm behavior. If issues remain, go to Settings General Transfer or Reset iPad Reset Keyboard Dictionary. This clears learned words and often fixes persistent mistakes. Also make sure iPad OS is up to date because updates include keyboard bug fixes. One key troubleshooting tip: if autocorrect still fails after all steps, temporarily create a new user profile on apps or reinstall the problematic app to isolate keyboard versus app-level issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.